Hello everyone, I'm Koji Sato, President of Lexus International and Chief Branding Officer. Today, I'm thrilled to present the second model from the new Lexus, along with a little surprise later on. As you know, Lexus unveiled the LFC electrified concept in March of this year. At that time, I shared Master Driver Akio Toyoda's passion for the Lexus brand. When I took over as the Chief Branding Officer from Akio this year, I was told that with the automotive industry undergoing a period of major change, Lexus, in addition to responding to our social mission, wanted to cater towards the happiness of each diverse individual. And above all, the idea was to make a brand that continues to create cars that stimulate the five senses and providing exciting experiences for future generations. Lexus draws inspiration from these ideals and will now be reborn as a new Lexus. The new NX was announced in June as the first model from this new Lexus. The design, driving performance, and advanced technology was renewed from the ground up to create a car that meets the needs of our diverse global customers. And today, we will finally introduce the second model to help propel the Lexus transformation, the all-new LX. The LX balances the DNA of reliability, durability, and off-road performance along with the elegance and on-road refinement typical of a Lexus, making this truly a unique vehicle. We went back to the basics in order to take full advantage of this unique characteristic. Car without strong fundamentals, even with the latest technologies, cannot achieve the refined driving experience expected from a Lexus. With a conscious decision to maintain the traditional ladder frame chassis, we achieved the seamless steering control and a sophisticated, refined ride that went beyond the norm of rudder frame vehicles by improving the fundamentals of the vehicle. This includes a 200 kilogram weight reduction, incorporating the latest technology, and we repeatedly tested the vehicles in the world's harshest conditions. While everything is still LX, everything is reimagined. Please take a look. The new LX.
Life is more interesting when it isn't mapped out. When you have the freedom to drop everything and try anything. To follow your heart, not a script, and go where the exceptional is the rule. This is the power of the reimagined Lexus LX. Designed for adventure, it is entirely new, from the ground up, fitted with a more powerful engine, yet retaining its legendary body-on-frame platform design. Designed for precision, it provides a pure, more seamless communication between you and the road, or whatever road you encounter. Designed for the senses, the LX features a transformed cabin that brings unparalleled elegance to every journey. Enjoy reimagined VIP seating and intuitive technology wherever you are. To break new ground, to plant new flags, to live the life uncharted. Because there are those who follow maps and those who draw them. The all-new Lexus LX. Luxury that knows no limits.
So what did you think? My name is Hiro Togashi, General Manager of Global Lexus Brand Management, and from here, I would like to tell you more about the new LX. LX owners who understand its true essence and have experienced many adventures follow their heart and live the life uncharted. Our team has been collectively working to develop the new LX so that owners around the world can enjoy a sophisticated and refined driving experience on any road or in any environment, from urban cities to rugged nature. In order to ensure reliability, durability, and off-road performance while maintaining the traditional ladder frame structure, a variety of efforts were made to achieve the ideal driving performance, such as bending the frame to accommodate improved shock absorber positioning and changing the engine mount positioning. As a result, we have achieved refined performance worthy of a Lexus by extensively driving the vehicle and incorporating new technologies on top of the revamped base performance of the vehicle. Furthermore, we developed a new 4-seat chauffeur version in order to offer a superior travel experience that we refer to as a VIP grade. Whether it be for business use or taking friends on a long trip, we use lots of trial and error to assess the necessary elements required to create a relaxing atmosphere even on rough surfaces and harsh environments. As a result, for the rear passenger, we incorporated various innovations based on a human-centered philosophy, such as spacious, comfortable reclining position, ceiling-mounted air conditioning vents for ideal climate control, and an easy-to-reach digital control panel. Also, we thoroughly addressed carbon neutrality initiatives focused on internal combustion engines through engine downsizing and improved efficiency, as well as weight reduction and aerodynamic improvements made possible through the new platform. In this way, the car embodies Lexus' desire for customers around the world to enjoy a sophisticated experience, satisfying a range of diverse lifestyles no matter what road they take. The LX truly is luxury that knows no limits. Beyond the on-road and off-road experiences the LX delivers, we know for some of our most passionate buyers, there's a desire for even greater adventure. Lexus hopes to continue providing freedom of movement, to explore and inspire interaction with Mother Nature. But we must find ways to support this in a carbon-neutral way. Lexus believes these ideas are simultaneously possible. Today, I'd like to introduce a new mobility concept model that gives shape to Lexus's vision towards this future. Take a look. The concept model you just saw is a recreational off-highway vehicle, which runs by clean-burning hydrogen fuel. The agile styling is combined with a hydrogen combustion engine that produces only water. Take a step further into places where even off-road vehicles dare not go, and enjoy the exhilarating response and sounds that simulate the senses. By interacting with nature, we can realize a lifestyle where people can enjoy driving while living in harmony with the world around us.
So, are you as excited as I am? We will continue with this Lexus-like approach, and by working to develop new technologies, we will continue the challenge to offer even more choices. Lexus will continue with our many ongoing efforts to move toward a future full of wonderful new opportunities, making luxury personal for you. Please look forward to the exciting future of Lexus. Thank you so much for joining us today.